Welcome back to this channel with solutions of practice problems for actuarial exams. This will be a problem for exam MFE. Please note I'm giving you information here about websites that describe who I am and my work. And you can always email me by going to this website, smarturl.it/Jedi, and you will see my email there. Here's our problem today. It's a problem that used to be on exam FM, but some amount of material was moved to exam MFE. The questions as follow. Determine which of the following is not a distinguishing characteristic of futures contracts relative to forward contracts. A. Contracts are settled daily and mark-to-market. B. Contracts are more liquid as one can offset an obligation by taking the opposite position. C. Contracts are more customized to suit the buyer's needs. D. Contracts are structured to minimize the effects of credit risk. E. Contracts have price limits beyond which trading may be temporarily halted. So you actually should have an instinctive reaction that the answer is C, because futures are standardized, not customized, and it's forwards that are customized because they're created in private agreements between two parties, while futures are created in an exchange under the rules of the exchange. So here's the solution. For part A is true because that's one of the central features of futures, that they are mark-to-market daily, and then people may need to pay more money or can receive money, and all this in order to reduce credit risk. For part B, futures contracts are designed to be more liquid than forwards. Forwards are designed to be not liquid. You can't trade them before the end of the contract, or you would have to do some very complicated things to be able to in a sense sell your position in the forward contract, or in some way get out of that position, because it's a private contract between two parties. It's not traded on any organized exchange the way futures are. For part B, contracts are more liquid as one can offset an obligation by taking the opposite position. So B is true. Futures are more liquid. In fact, if you use the same broker to buy and sell, your own position is effectively cancelled. C, contracts are more customized to suit the buyer's needs. So this is not true at all. Forwards are private arrangements, and their customized futures are standardized, and they're traded on the exchange. D, contracts are structured to minimize the effects of credit risk. That's one of the main reasons why futures exist, because forwards are subject to large exposure to credit risk of the other party, because it's a two-party arrangement. So D is true, as because of daily settlement, credit risk is less with futures. And of course, the exchange itself also provides guarantees about performance of the contract. E, contracts have price limits beyond which trading may be temporarily halted. And that is true because futures markets, like stock exchanges, do have daily price limits. So answer is C. Please remember, this is copyrighted material, and also problems from Society of Actuaries or Casualty Actuarial Society belong to them.